No wonder by the time Christ came along, the priests, the Sadducees, the religious leaders, the scribes, that's the scholars in Israel, are all captivated by that. Paul says, watch out for that. I'll show you in a minute. Jeremiah chapter 44. Jeremiah chapter 44. As Israel goes into the Babylonian captivity, Jeremiah is crying out to the faith to Israel to abandon what got them carried away, this stuff. Their response, verse 15, all the men that knew that their wives had burned incense unto other gods, and all the women that stood by, a great multitude, even all the people that dwelt in the land of Egypt, in Pathros, answered Jeremiah, saying, as for the word which thou hast spoken unto us in the name of the Lord, we will not hearken.